and welcome to my first unboxing video here on YouTube. Today I will be unboxing the Samsung Portable SSD T7 with 500 gigabytes of storage. I currently have a lot of files on my MacBook Pro desktop and I'm trying to move them off of it because they're occupying a lot of space on my iCloud drive. So taking a look around the box, you get a 3-year limited warranty. It tells you in various different languages where you can get more information about the product. It tells you the dimensions. This is a very small solid state drive. I will be comparing this to a couple things later on in this video. And on the front you just have the image of the drive and the storage capacity and what operating systems it works with. Already done the cut on this to make this a little easier on me, so let's jump right in. So here's the box of the solid state drive. So let's open this up right now. First thing you get is a box inside a box. It's got a little opening thing here and you're presented with the drive. So let's take this out. It has this little plastic shell that it comes in. Set that off to the side, and then let's see, open it on this side. You can pull out all the cables and stuff. This is now empty. And open that up. You got a couple of different cables. You got USB 3.2 to USB-C, and then USB-C to USB-C, and then instruction booklet, which probably will never get read. Now let's take a look at this. So here you have it. It's a very thin, small drive. Plug the USB-C into here, and you can plug it into my USB-C MacBook Pro, or if you want to plug it into a regular old USB 3.2 slot, you can do that as well. So here's my iPhone. So it's pretty small compared to the iPhone. It's a lot thinner. This is with a case. Let me show this to you without a case. So here, are they side by side? No case on the iPhone. It just seems about the same thickness. And then on the back it just says the name. This will focus. Yeah. So that was my quick unboxing of the Samsung Portable SSD T7. I hope you guys like this, and comment down below if you guys have any questions about the product. I will try to get up a review of this after getting some use out of it. I got this off of Amazon actually, so I will create a link and provide that down below in the description if you guys want to go check that out. Hope you guys subscribe for more content like this. I'm trying to create finance videos as well as tech videos. But yeah, that's it for now. See you in the next one.